Welcome to another captivating adventure with ViewX. This time, we're whisking you away to the land of ancient mysteries and breathtaking beauty, Peru. From the bustling streets of Lima to the awe-inspiring heights of Machu Picchu, we'll uncover hidden gems, savor delicious cuisine, and create memories that'll last a lifetime. So, buckle up, get comfy, and get ready to fall in love with Peru. Touchdown in Lima, the vibrant capital of Peru. First things first, let's get you settled in your hotel in Miraflores. This trendy district is like the Beverly Hills of Lima: ocean views, beautiful parks, and more cafes. Head over to Larcomar. This stunning clifftop mall is perfect for a little retail therapy with a side of Pacific Ocean views. No trip to Lima is complete without trying their legendary ceviche, fresh, zesty, and bursting with flavor. And I know just the place, Lamar. After lunch, how about a leisurely stroll through Parque Kennedy? This lively park is a hub for local artists, street performers, and wait for it, cats. As the sun begins to set, grab a spot at one of the many beachfront bars and restaurants. Sip on a Pisco Sour, watch the surfers catch some waves, and just breathe in that salty ocean air. After a day of exploring, you'll be ready to crash in your comfy hotel bed, dreaming of the adventures to come. Good morning from Cusco, the historical heart of the Inca Empire. I hope you're well rested because today, we're stepping back in time. But first, a little heads up. Cusco sits high in the Andes, so take it easy today and give yourself time to acclimatize. Drink plenty of water, maybe try some coca tea, the locals swear by it. Once you've found your footing, it's time to explore. Our first stop is the Plaza de Armas, Cusco's central square. This place is a feast for the eyes, colonial architecture, bustling markets, and the majestic Andes Mountains as your backdrop. Next, let's wander through the charming cobblestone streets of San Blas. In the afternoon, how about a visit to the Museo Inca? This fascinating museum will give you a deeper understanding of the Inca civilization, their culture, and their incredible achievements. As the sun begins to set, find a cozy restaurant in the San Blas neighborhood and treat yourself to a delicious meal. Get ready to be wowed by the Sacred Valley, a breathtaking landscape of rolling hills, ancient ruins, and traditional villages. First stop, the Pisac Market. This vibrant market is a sensory overload in the best possible way. Colorful textiles, handcrafted jewelry, and the aroma of traditional Peruvian food filling the air. Next up, we're off to Ollantaytambo, an impressive Inca fortress perched high on a hillside. Explore the ruins, marvel at the intricate stonework, and imagine life in this ancient stronghold. After all that exploring, you've earned a delicious lunch. In the afternoon, how about a visit to a traditional weaving center? Learn about the ancient techniques passed down through generations and watch as skilled artisans create beautiful textiles right before your eyes. As the day winds down, settle into your cozy accommodation in the Sacred Valley. Today's the day you've been waiting for, your rendezvous with Machu Picchu. We'll start our journey with a scenic train ride through the heart of the Andes. Sit back, relax, and soak in the breathtaking views as we wind our way to Aguas Calientes, the gateway to Machu Picchu. Once we arrive, it's time to board a bus that will take us up the winding road to the lost city of the Incas. The sheer scale of this ancient city, perched high in the clouds, is simply awe-inspiring. Take your time to explore the ruins, wander through the temples, and imagine the lives of the people who once called this place home. Your guide will share fascinating stories and insights into the history and mysteries of Machu Picchu. Don't forget to snap plenty of photos, but also take some time to just be present and soak in the magic of this incredible place. After a day of exploring, we'll head back to Aguas Calientes for a well-deserved dinner. As you drift off to sleep tonight, let the memories of Machu Picchu dance in your head. We're back in Cusco today, but we're not done exploring this fascinating city just yet. This morning, we're visiting Sacsayhuaman, a colossal Inca fortress overlooking Cusco. The massive stone walls, some weighing over 100 tons, are a testament to the Incas' incredible engineering skills. Next, we'll delve into the heart of Inca religion at Coricancha, the Temple of the Sun. Once covered in gold, this sacred site offers a glimpse into the Incas' spiritual beliefs and practices. After all that history, you've earned a hearty lunch. Head over to Pachapapa, a popular restaurant known for its traditional Peruvian dishes and lively atmosphere. In the afternoon, why not explore Cusco's vibrant San Pedro market? This bustling market is a feast for the senses, with vendors selling everything from fresh produce to traditional handicrafts. As the sun begins to set, find a cozy spot in the Plaza de Armas and enjoy a cup of Colca tea while watching the world go by. Get ready to be charmed by Arequipa, a city known as the White City for its stunning colonial architecture built from white volcanic stone. Once you've settled into your hotel, it's time to hit the streets and explore. Our first stop is the Plaza de Armas, Arequipa's heart and soul. Surrounded by elegant arches and palm trees, this bustling square is the perfect place to soak in the city's unique ambiance. Next, we'll step back in time at the Santa Catalina Monastery, a city within a city. This sprawling complex, founded in 1580, offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of cloistered nuns. Feeling peckish? Then you've got to try Arequipa's signature dish, rocoto relleno. In the evening, treat yourself to a Pisco Sour at one of the many bars and restaurants surrounding the Plaza de Armas. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure to Colca Canyon, one of the deepest canyons in the world, twice as deep as the Grand Canyon. Our destination is the Cruz del Condor viewpoint, where you'll witness a truly awe-inspiring spectacle, Andean condors soaring gracefully on the thermals. These magnificent birds, with wingspans of up to 10 feet, are a sight to behold. The canyon's dramatic landscape, dotted with traditional villages and pre-Inca terraces, is a photographer's dream. We'll stop for lunch in the charming village of Ceviche, known for its thermal baths and traditional food. As we make our way back from Colca Canyon, take some time to reflect on the incredible sights you've witnessed. From soaring condors to breathtaking landscapes, this is a day you won't soon forget. We're back in Arequipa today, but the adventure continues. This morning, we're diving into a fascinating chapter of Peruvian history at the Museo Santuarios Andinos, home to the incredibly well-preserved mummy of Juanita. Her story and the insights it provides into Inca culture is both fascinating and poignant. Afterward, wander through Arequipa's charming Yanahuara district, known for its whitewashed buildings, flower-filled plazas, and stunning views of El Misti volcano. For lunch, treat yourself to another Arequipinan culinary delight, chupe de camarones. In the afternoon, why not indulge in a little retail therapy? Arequipa is known for its beautiful alpaca wool products, from cozy sweaters to colorful blankets. Head to the shops around the Plaza de Armas, or explore the boutiques in Yanahuara to find the perfect souvenir. As the sun begins to set, find a rooftop bar and raise a toast to another incredible day in Peru. Get ready to experience the magic of Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world. We'll start our adventure in Puno, the gateway to this legendary lake. Once you've settled into your hotel, it's time to set sail. Our first stop is the Euros Floating Islands, a group of man-made islands constructed entirely of reeds. Meet the Euros people, learn about their unique way of life, and marvel at their ingenuity. Next, we'll continue our journey across the sparkling waters of Lake Titicaca to Tequila Island. Known for its traditional textiles and stunning views, Tequila is a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Explore the island's ancient ruins, meet the friendly locals, and enjoy a traditional lunch with breathtaking views of the lake. As the sun begins to set, we'll make our way back to Puno, our hearts filled with the beauty and tranquility of Lake Titicaca. We've come full circle on our Peruvian adventure, and it's time to say goodbye, for now. But before we do, we have one last day to soak in the vibrant energy of Lima. Let's start our day with a visit to Barranco, Lima's bohemian district. Known for its colorful street art, trendy cafes, and vibrant nightlife, Barranco is a feast for the senses. Feeling peckish? Then you can't miss out on trying one of Lima's most iconic dishes, anticuchos. Head to Tio Mario's, a local institution, for the best anticuchos in town. In the afternoon, why not squeeze in some last-minute souvenir shopping? From colorful textiles to intricately carved gourds, Lima has something for everyone. Head to the shops around the Miraflores Park, or explore the artisan markets in Barranco to find the perfect memento of your trip. As you prepare to bid farewell to Peru, take a moment to reflect on all the incredible experiences you've had. And there you have it, folks. 10 unforgettable days exploring the best of Peru. For two people, you're looking at around $2,500 to $5,000, depending on your style. Peru's weather can be unpredictable, so pack for sunshine, rain, and everything in between. The best time to visit is during the dry season from May to October. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, ViewX.